Hi guys, you're watching Beyond. In this video, we'll be watching what happens if we do not have Jupiter or our Jupiter suddenly disappears. We all know that Jupiter is one of the largest planets where all the planets can fit into. It's that large. It is said that Jupiter is so large that we can fit 1300 Earth in it. Initially, it is said that there were mass rocks rotating the sun. Further, Jupiter entered the system. Then, the Jupiter broke all the rock bodies into planets. Out of these planets, even our Earth is one. So, Jupiter is the main reason our Earth was formed. Now, if we had no Jupiter in our solar system, then Earth would not exist, hence, we won't be there. The Jupiter has high magnetic field just like the Sun. The Sun and the Jupiter keep all the planets in its place. Without the Jupiter, the planets will not be rotating in its particular orbits. In fact, our Earth is in the Goldilocks region due to this. If you want to know what Goldilocks region is, do visit our previous videos. The gravity of Jupiter is so high that the escape velocity for a rocket at Jupiter is approximately 217,000 km per hour. The Jupiter with its high gravity pulls all the comets, meteoroids and hence protects us from any of them hitting us. Due to Jupiter's gravity, there's a large asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. This belt avoids all the comets entering into our planets. Further, it is known that Jupiter has 67 moons. If there is no Jupiter, the moon starts to move towards all the planets at high speeds. This causes damage to all the planets and even our planet. Further, these moons can also form into a new planets. Thank you for watching this video. If you like that, hit that like button, share it to your friends, and if you have any similar questions, do leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon next to it to get instant notifications whenever I release a new video.